I wonder why.
Quit. Quit. Quit.
Are you videoing?
Quit.
Whoa. What do you think?
Give me that. Give me that.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Wait, wait for me, Ma. Wait for me, Ma. Wait for me, Ma, honey. Wait for me, Ma. You're good. You're fine. There you go.
Say hi, Mama.
Hi, sweetie.
Ears up, Jessie, and look pretty.
Whoa.
It's okay.
Look at
That
you.
enough? That enough?
She's just so
Silly boys.
There you go. There you go. Well, what'd you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah?
Now,
Gotcha.
if we let Matt ride, then I can put the saddle on the...
Oh, really cool, Mama.
Hmm?
Yeah, really cool.
So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Still got curls.
He went hard.
Good job, Matt. Wonderful.
Oh.
You stay out. You have to stay out.
Oh, there's a horse fly on him. Oops, sorry.
Get him out. Get him out.
Vinny, come here. Get out of the fence. That's the horses area, okay?
What am I going to do now?
We're gonna watch Matt ride for a minute.
Come on,
Where's...
She said don't get on the gate. I don't know if you heard that or not. Vinny, what did I just say? Don't get on the gate.
What does stand for hook on the end?
The what?
The hook behind on?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, behind on. It springs them.
I think you broke this one.